Hello student, today we are going to perform first activity of physics, which is study of resistor using color code. In this activity, we are going to find the value of resistor using color code as well as by using multimeter. Aim of this activity is to learn to calculate the value of resistor with the help of color code. Apparatus required for this activity are resistor of different value and multimeter. So what do you mean by the resistor? Resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component which used to limit the flow of current in a circuit. So basically resistor जो है एक ऐसा इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपोनेंट है जो क्या करता है, फ्लो ऑफ करंट को क्या करता है, रिड्यूस करता है. ओके, so there are two type of resistor. One is carbon resistor, second is wire wound resistor. So today we are going to study about the carbon resistor. Resistor is having two terminal, also having the four color band. First band is first digit, second band is second digit, third band is decimal multiply, and the fourth band is tolerance. This is the actual carbon resistor. Now tolerance. Tolerance is the percentage of error in the resistor's resistance, or how much or less you can expect the resistor's actual measured resistance to be from its stated resistance. What do you mean by this? So basically जो हम वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करते हैं एंड जो एक्चुअल मेजर्ड वैल्यू होता है उसमें जितना परसेंटेज एरर होता है, ठीक है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, टॉलरेंस कहते हैं. This is the color code chart of resistor. In this chart, you will observe the colors value of first digit, second digit, multiplier and tolerance. The value of first digit and second digit are same. Each color is having the different value. Value started from 0. So by using this chart, we will find the value of resistors. Now, you will find it difficult to memorize the color code sequence. No need to worry. We have one liner which will help you out. B.B. Roy in Great Britain has a very good wife. Now, you will see the first color is black, so B. Second is brown, so again B. R is red, O is orange, Y is yellow. G is green, B is blue, V is violet, G is grey, and W is white color. This funny one-liner make it easy to recall the sequence of digit and multiplier. Now this is your digital multimeter, which is DMM. If you will observe, in this DMM, two wire is connected, where black wire is connected to the common point and the red wire is connected where voltmeter, ohm and milliampere is printed. This DMM is used to find the value of DC voltage, AC voltage, current and resistance of the resistor. Now we are going to find the value of first resistor. If you will see, the first band of the first resistor is white, second band is brown, third band is orange and the fourth band is golden, which is tolerance. So now we will find the value of the color band. So the value of white band is 9, value of brown band is 1 and third band, which is orange, is multiply. So it is 10 to the power 3 and fourth band is tolerance, which is plus minus 5%. Color code on resistor is white, brown, orange and golden. Value of first band is 9, second band is brown, which is 1, third band is multiplier, which is 10 to the power 3, and tolerance is plus minus 5%. Now we'll find the value of this resistor by using DMM. So first we'll select the suitable range of the resistance. So first we'll select the 200 ohm. So if you will see, it won't show any reading. So we'll increase the range of the resistance. Again it won't show any reading. So again we'll increase the range. It is on 20K, but still it won't show any reading. So we'll increase the range. Now if you will see, it will show reading of 87.8 kilo ohm. So multimeter reading in kilo ohm is 87.8 kilo ohm. Now we'll find the value of second resistor. First band of second resistor is orange, second band is also orange, third band is red, and the fourth band is golden. So now we'll find the value of this band. So first band is orange, so first value is 3. Second band is again orange, so it is again 3. Third band, which is multiplier, is red, so it is 10 to the power 2. And the fourth band, which is tolerance, is plus minus 5%. Color code on resistor is orange, orange, red, and golden. Value of orange band is 3. Second band is also orange, so it is 3. Third band is red, so it is 10 to the power 2. And the fourth band, which is tolerance, is golden, so it is plus minus 5%. Now we'll find the value of second resistor by using DMM. So we'll select the suitable range of resistance. So first we'll select 200 ohm. So if you will observe, it won't show any reading, so we'll increase the range of the resistance. So it is on 2000 ohm. Again it won't show any reading, so we'll increase the range. So it is on 20K. It will show 3.28 kilo ohm. .27 kilo ohm. So multimeter reading in kilo ohm is 3.27 kilo ohm. Now we'll find the value of third resistor. So first band of third resistor is blue, grey, red, and golden. So we'll find the value of this band. So value of blue band is 6, grey band is 8, red band is 10 to the power 2, which is multiplier, and fourth band, which is tolerance, is again golden, so it is plus minus 5%. Color code on resistor is blue, grey, red, and golden. Value of blue band is 6, grey band is 8, third band, which is multiplier, is red, so it is 10 to the power 2, and then fourth band, which is tolerance, is plus minus 5%. Now we'll find the value of third resistor by using DMM. So we'll select the suitable range of resistance. Again it is on 200 ohm. So it won't show any reading, so we'll increase the range. Again we'll increase the range, so it is on 20 kilo ohm. So it will show 6.67 kilo ohm. So multimeter reading in kilo ohm is 6.67 kilo ohm. So these are the resistor which we have used in our activity. First resistor, which is white, brown, orange and golden. Second resistor is orange, red and golden. Third resistor, blue, grey, red and golden. Now you will observe the observation table. In observation table, you can see there is a observation number, color code on resistor, band 1 value, band 2, band 3, band 4 value and value of resistor in kilo ohm, as well as the tolerance value in kilo ohm, calculate value of resistor with tolerance and multimeter reading. So first observation, you will see that the color code on resistor is white, brown, orange and golden. So value of white band is 9, brown band is 1, third band which is multiply, so it is orange, so it is 10 to the power 3, and band 4 which is tolerance is plus minus 5%. So value of resistor is 91 kilo ohm and the tolerance in kilo ohm is 4.550, and the calculated value of resistor with tolerance is 91 kilo ohm plus minus 4.550, and the multimeter reading is 87.8 kilo ohm. Second observation, you will see the color code on second resistor is orange, red and golden. Value of orange band is 3, second band is also orange, so it is 3, third band is red which is multiply is 10 to the power 2, and band 4 is golden, so it is tolerance, so plus minus 5%. So value of resistor is 3.3 kilo ohm. So tolerance value is 0.165. So calculate value of resistor with tolerance is 3.3 kilo ohm plus minus 0.165, and multimeter reading is 3.27 kilo ohm. Third resistor, color code on third resistor is blue, grey, red and golden. Value of blue band is 6, then grey band is 8, then red band which is multiply is 10 to the power 2, and the tolerance is plus minus 5%. So value of resistor is 6.8 and the tolerance is plus minus 0.340, and the calculated value of resistor with tolerance is 6.8 kilo ohm plus minus 0.340, and the multimeter reading is 6.67 kilo ohm. Now result. We study the method of finding the value of resistor from color code and verify the value using the multimeter. So हमने क्या देखा, हमने जो है कलर कोड से भी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट किए रेजिस्टर के, एज वेल एज हमने मल्टीमीटर से भी वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना सीखा है. क्लियर है? आई होप दिस एक्टिविटी इज क्लियर टू यू.